Good afternoon. Today we are going to be working on place value in large numbers. So first I wanted to start by going over our place value chart. So over here we have our ones place, then we have tens and hundreds. We represent those with base 10 blocks with ones, they're the little cubes. Then we have tens, and then we have hundreds. Now it takes 10 of these individual ones to make a 10, and we group them together. And in the same way, it takes 10 tens to make a 100. Well, this pattern continues on as we move across our place value chart from the hundreds to the thousands. It takes 10 hundreds to make 1,000, 10 thousands to make a 10,000, and 10 thousands to make 100,000. Now, say we have a number 6. It is going to be worth 6 ones. So I'll draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But if we move the 6 over to the next place value, I'll use black this time. Say I put the 6 in the tens place, that's going to be worth a different amount. It's going to be worth 60 or 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm using the lines to represent a 10. So we're imagining that we have 6 tens, like so. This would be 6 tens or 60. I can use a place value chart to determine the value of a digit. A digit is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So my digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'll move that so you can see. There are 10 digits, 0 through 9. I use digits and I put them together to make up a number. Within our place value, those digits can have different values. So like we just saw, the digit 6 in the ones place is worth 6 ones, whereas if it's in the tens place, then it's worth 6 tens or 60. I place a 0 next to it. In my ones place, so I have 60. So let's try looking at the values of some different digits and numbers. So say I have the number 452, and I ask, how much is the value of the 5? Well, I'm looking in the place values, and I see that the 5 is in the tens place. So I know that the 5 is worth 5 tens. Like so, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tens or 50. So I'm going to draw my 5 tens. And I can say that the 5 is worth 50. Similarly, if I'm looking at my 4 in my hundreds place, I know that it is worth 4 hundreds. I use squares to draw hundreds. So if I have 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then I have 400. Okay, so that 4 would be worth 400. Let's try one more. Say I have the number 897, and I'm asked to find the value of the 9. I'm going to look at my place values. I'll put it in my chart. So I have 8, 9, and 7. My 9 is in the tens place, so I know that's worth 9 tens or 90. So my answer would be the 9 is worth 90. And one more, we'll try it with a bigger number this time. Let's say I have 2,000 508. I'm going to put that number in my place value chart. And a quick way to know how it goes into your place value chart is the digit to your right is always going to be your ones all the way to the right, and I'm just moving over. So I have my 8, 0, 5, and my 2. The 2 is in the thousands place. I have the 5 in the hundreds, I have 0 in the tens, and 8 in the ones. So I know my 2 is worth 2 thousands. My 5 is worth 5 hundreds. I have 0 tens. Okay, the 0 is still just going to be worth 0 tens, and I have 8 ones. So this is how, by using a place value chart, you can tell the value of a digit in a number.